Definitely, we need Airwolf music, man. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu. Greetings, alishanmao here. Let's fly Airwolf outdoors. Right here.
Engines armed.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Taking off. So as you can see, I have some new accessories installed, including the rocket pods are back, and they are redesigned rocket pods. And also you can notice on the side we have those turbo fans. Well, they don't move, but hey, they're for the show and they make it look more realistic. Very windy, look at that. But it holds its position really nice and solid, man. Let's fly it in attitude mode. Definitely, we need Airwolf music, man. Helicopter, mashallah, have one of those sweetest stances you never can beat, huh? All right, guns and rocket pods set on you. You should be trembling now. Only if they were real, right? Only if they were real. Man, mashallah, it's a beautiful machine, I can tell you. Though the FW450 V3 inside it is a very old one with a very old GPS, but mashallah, look at that, how it actually holds its position when you set it to GPS position hold. You know what? We need to design rockets that you can fire. That would be really sweet. All right, enough flying. Let's land. I have to say prayers and I have to drive 135 kilometers, 1 hour 20 minutes to go back and get to the comforts of my house.